welcome to HW News. For more than a month, the state of Rajasthan was in a political limbo, with MLAs holed up in resorts, some in a hotel in Haryana or Delhi, and some shifted to Gujarat. Everyone but the politicians and the MLAs was in Rajasthan. But seems like this has come to an end today, as Sachin Pilot, whose rebellion a month ago caused Rajasthan's political upheaval, has returned. Now, it won't be technically right to say that he returned to the Congress party, as he himself never said that he is going to leave the Congress party, though his actions suggested otherwise. But we will go by his statement. On Monday, the truce happened between the Congress party and one of its blue-eyed boys, the Young Turks. He met former party president Rahul Gandhi, interim party president Sonia Gandhi as well. He told them what all his grievances were, and they too heard him. Later in the day, he met a three-member group of senior party leaders, K.C. Venugopal, Ahmed Patel and General Secretary in charge of Uttar Pradesh, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. He was accompanied by all the 18 rebel MLAs that had rebelled against Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. In this meeting, which went on for almost 2 hours, there was a discussion on sedition case investigation summons to Sachin Pilot, no disciplinary action on the rebel MLAs, talks regarding chief ministerial post, etc. Now let me briefly tell you the issue that he had. Some of the MLAs of the Congress party, including Chief Whip Mahesh Joshi, a month ago wrote a letter to Ashok Gehlot claiming that the BJP is trying to lure MLAs of the Congress party. Mahesh Joshi said that he has an evidence of conversation between the said BJP leaders who were tasked with the job, and in the conversation, Sachin Pilot's name was also discussed. Now, the state government then put a case of sedition on certain BJP leaders who were caught, and the SOG sent summons to both Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and then Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot. The upset Pilot then rebelled against the party. One of the major demands of him was also to make him the Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Now, this divided the Rajasthan Congress party virtually in two parts, Gehlot camp and other one being the Sachin Pilot camp. For the next few days, we saw central leaders of Congress party camped in Jaipur trying to save the government. Though as the matters worsened, Pilot was removed from the post of Deputy Chief Minister of the state and Pradesh Congress Committee Chief, the back-channel efforts continued to bring him back. The efforts finally bore fruits on Monday. Pilot at this occasion made an interesting statement. He said that if party gives a post, it can also take it back. Let us hear what Sachin Pilot said.
SOG वाला हो या हमें काम करने का जो तरीका था, उसमें जो आपत्तियां थी, उन सब के बारे में हमने बताया और मैंने शुरू से इस बात को कहा कि जो मुद्दे हैं वो सैद्धांतिक हैं और मुझे लगता था कि पार्टी के हित में उन बातों को उठाना बहुत जरूरी था। बात हम लोगों ने इस पूरे प्रकरण के दौरान बहुत सी बातें कही गई, चलाई गई और बहुत कुछ मुझे भी सुनने को मिला। व्यक्तिगत रूप से कुछ ऐसी बातें बोली गई जो मैं समझता हूँ, मुझे भी आश्चर्य उन बातों को। मुझे लगा कि संयम और विनम्रता हमेशा बनाए रखनी चाहिए। राजनीति में व्यक्तिगत दुर्भावना की कोई जगह नहीं है। हम लोगों ने, सभी लोगों ने मिलकर 5 साल तक मेहनत कर राजस्थान में कांग्रेसी सरकार बनाई थी और उस सरकार में हम सब भागीदार हैं। लेकिन जब मुझे लगा कि इन बातों में जहां पर मुझे आपत्तियां थी या जहां पर मुझे लगा कि अपनी बात रखना बहुत जरूरी है, तो कांग्रेस के समक्ष मैंने उस बात को रखा। मुझे खुशी है कि कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष ने, पूर्व अध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी जी ने, प्रियंका जी ने, हम सब ने विस्तार से आज चर्चा करी और हमारे जो साथी विधायक हैं उन सबकी बातों को, उन सबके कंसर्न्स को हमने प्लेटफॉर्म पर रखा है और मुझे आश्वासित भी किया गया है। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूं इस बात का कि ये 3 सदस्यीय कमेटी बनकर बहुत जल्द उन तमाम मुद्दों का निराकरण करेंगे जो मुद्दे हम लोगों ने उठाए हैं। फिर कहना चाहता हूं, सैद्धांतिक मुद्दे थे, गवर्नेंस के इश्यूज से जो मैं चाहता था एड्रेस हों, ताकि पार्टी और सरकार उन वादों पर खरा उतर सके जिन बातों को कर हम सत्ता में आए थे। और पार्टी पद देती है, पार्टी पद ले भी सकती है। मुझे पद की बहुत लालसा नहीं है, लेकिन मैं चाहता था जो मान सम्मान स्वाभिमान की बात हम लोगों ने करी थी वो बनी रहे। राजनीति में आज 18-20 साल से मैंने जो योगदान दिया है व्यक्तिगत रूप से पार्टी के प्रति, पार्टी भी बात को जानती है और हमने हमेशा कोशिश करी है कि जिन लोगों ने मेहनत कर कर इस सरकार का निर्माण किया है उन लोगों की हिस्सेदारी भागीदारी सुनिश्चित की जाए। मुझे खुशी है कि कांग्रेस अध्यक्षा जी ने आज जो कमेटी का गठन किया है और ये बात भी जैसे वेणुगोपाल जी ने कहा कि समयबद्ध तरीके से इन सब बातों को सुनकर इसका अच्छा निराकरण किया जाएगा। मैं समझता हूँ ये एक स्वागत योग्य कदम है, इसलिए मैं कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष का धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ।
However, Sachin Pilot's returns mandates many questions. First and foremost is, has Rajasthan political crisis ended? Well, the answer is both yes and no. The crisis has definitely postponed as the Pilot camp agreed for a truce. But as per the promise of the party, there will be a 3-member committee in the state that will overview the smooth functioning of the government. Sachin Pilot has demanded that his loyalists should be given a place in the 3-member committee. While the internal feud of the Congress party seems to have toning down, the party might want to be ready for another desert storm in Rajasthan. We all know in the last 1 month a lot was said about Sachin Pilot. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot went on to an extent of calling him Nikamma, Nalayak and whatnot. He also said that good looks and good speaking skills in English does not mean that one makes a good leader. His photo was removed from the party office, then put back again, and many such things have happened in the state. The Gehlot camp MLAs even voted in the Congress legislature party meeting to take action against Sachin Pilot. So chances are they may revolt with his return. On Sunday night, the MLAs had said at a meeting that the rebel should be punished for their betrayal and they should not be allowed back in the party. But if only Gehlot accepts this decision of the central leadership, the discontent in the Gehlot camp can be contained to some extent.
और जो लोग आए हैं अब वो किन परिस्थितियों में गए हैं, क्यों गए हैं, क्या वादे किए गए थे उनसे, क्या नाराजगी मुझसे है, वो हम दूर करने का प्रयास करेंगे।
सर
जो आदमी सत्ता में होता है, असेंबली के अंदर भी सत्ता पक्ष जो होता है उसकी ज़्यादा जिम्मेवारी होती है विपक्ष को साथ लेकर चलने की। उसी प्रकार से आज अगर मैं मुख्यमंत्री हूँ और मुझसे कोई अगर मेरी पार्टी के विधायक नाराज है तो जिम्मेवारी बड़ी मेरी होती है कि मैं कैसे उनको वापस संतुष्ट करूँ, उनका दिल जीतूँ। ये मेरी जिम्मेवारी है, वो मैं पहले निभाता आया हूँ ज़िंदगी भर, अभी निभाऊँगा, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है।
सर ये तो 32 दिन पहले भी हो सकता था। जी राज किसका होता है? ये तो 32 दिन पहले भी बातचीत हो सकती थी, इतना सर हुआ है, अच्छा थोड़ी हुआ है।
अब ये तो जो भागीदार थे कभी मिले था उनसे बात कीजिए।
सर वापस भी निकम्मे, आप मानते निकम्मे आज भी वो आपने कहा था निकम्मा है, आपने शब्द इस्तेमाल किया था, तो वापस आएंगे तो काम कैसे करेंगे साथ में?
और इसके अलावा बीजेपी को जो मुंह की खानी पड़ी है, मेरे ख्याल से देश के अंदर राजस्थान की जनता ने एकजुटता दिखाई प्रदेशवासियों ने, ये असली जीत प्रदेशवासियों की है।
Now the second question, will the state chief minister be replaced? This was one of the demands by Sachin Pilot. The Pilot camp believed that he delivered Rajasthan victory in assembly polls for the Congress party, so he should be made the chief minister of the state. However, majority of the Congress party MLAs chose Ashok Gehlot as their leader in the assembly and he became the chief minister of Rajasthan in 2018. It is unlikely that the Congress will change its stance now. In fact, by not letting the BJP benefit out of this internal feud, Ashok Gehlot has in fact saved the day for the Congress party. Now the third and most important question, will Sachin Pilot be given his PCC chief post and deputy chief minister post back? Now this is also highly unlikely. Days after he rebelled, the party leadership asked him to discuss the issues with it. The Congress appealed to him to come to Jaipur where the party legislature meeting was being held and present his case. But he did not do so. Another factor was the advocates that he hired to fight his case in the court. Both Mukul Rohatgi and Harish Salve are allegedly known for fighting cases for the BJP. The party then removed him from the post of PCC chief and deputy chief minister. A new PCC chief was appointed in his place. It is unlikely that the party will just hand over the post back to him now. So what is it for Sachin Pilot in the deal? Well, for the starters, the Congress has promised more representation for his loyalists in the government. As far as his role as a leader is concerned, there are speculations that he might be given a responsibility in the centre. But what will it be? For how long will it be? And when will it be announced? Let's leave it to the Congress party. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.